This is the guest room. If you notice, this room is almost as big as the master bedroom because it would take visitors so long to travel that when they arrived, they would stay for a long period of time. During their stay, the guests would entertain themselves by playing cards, which was common because there weren't many forms of entertainment during that time. If you notice, the cards don't have numbers on them. This is because numbers on cards weren't introduced until after the Civil War. Another form of entertainment for the guests, once they arrived, would be to make watch chains, like the one that dates back to 1835. Also, if you look closely, you can see the watch chain was made in Nashville, North Carolina. The bedspread featured on this bed was made by Martha Pitt, who married James Crawford Hillard in 1806. The quilt belonged to Elliot Whitespring from Lancaster, South Carolina. And the table in the left-hand corner is the only original piece in the house. It is said that it belonged to a different family that lived in the house and that it was sent back to Stonewall from Tennessee. In the winter, when they would light a fire to escape the cold, it would sometimes get too hot, and they would place a fire fan in front of the fireplace to block the direct heat. Foot warmers were also next to the fire. They were filled with water so that it would get warm, and then put them in the carriages. The paint in the room is the original color, but the wallpaper pattern is a reproduction of what it may have looked like. The Prussian blue paint was a sign of wealth. The wallpaper would have been available between 18 and 1835.